Only I speak a language, my own language in the Philippines, and Tagalog, English, Arabic. I have four language. My own language in the Philippines, we have our own language, but our national language in the Philippines, it's Filipino. And except that, we have own language in the Philippines. So in Philippines, we have two language. And English, I know this international language. Ahlan wa sahlan. Thank you. Ay, Banana Chan, thank you. Banana Chan, you are from Dubai, right? You are in Dubai? I remember you was in Dubai, right? Or Abu Dhabi? Abu Dhabi or I'm confused. I'm confused. You are in Dubai or Abu Dhabi? Mr. Loba, can you remove lies from your own shoulder? Mr. Loba, no need. Why? I am in life in Bali. Ah, you're in Bali? Bali, where it is? Five people. Thank you so much, five people. Thank you so much. Do you know? No. No. Baby, you're looking gorgeous. Shobo, Shobo, thank you. Banana Chan, I didn't know about this Anna. Anna. Only shoulder, please. Mr. Loba, I want to open my dollar sign. Don't teach me now, Notia. Only for 1 minute. So I have to be careful now. I need to apply my dollar sign. It's just like this. Banana Chan, you delete your message? La 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 la. Ahlan wa sahlan. My country time is 10 a.m. Do you like Mexican food? Yeah, I love Mexican food, Roger. Kenny. I mean Kenny. When I read Kenny, I said Roger, Kenny Ramirez. I'm sorry. I love Mexican food. So many Mexican food here, but Mexican food it's expensive here. I think I'm not going in the restaurant. I just hear I saw some menu that Mexican food is expensive. I'm not going in the restaurant. It's only we eat at home. We cook food at home, so we can save our budget. How long have you live in Dubai? I am not in Dubai, Banana Chan. I am not in Dubai. Only we visit Dubai before. It was like 1 year ago. Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Three people. Thank you so much, three people.